Hello. I'm really tired today, so naturally, we're gonna be making churros because being tired and mixing frying oil together just is so smart and good. So I'm gonna follow Disney's recipe, like Disney World, Disneyland's recipe, off of my phone. And it's going to be really interesting. Quick game of never have I ever. Fingers up, never have I ever tried churros and never have I ever made churros. Am I supposed to put my fingers down? I'm not sure. I've never really played it seriously. So let's get started. I have pre-measured all of my ingredients because you kind of gotta
work fast to mix it all together.
I guess we'll get started. I've been wanting to make these for a while and I'm really excited, so let's go over to my stove. So on my phone it says to combine the water, butter, salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon in 1.5 quart saucepan over medium heat. Bring pot to a rolling boil. We've got everything. So I'm gonna add in my, oh dang it, it went over the sides, water. Butter. Oh no. Woof, we've got tons of paper still on here. I'm literally professional baker. Okay, butter, salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon. And yeah, bring it to a boil. Misty's here, helping me cook. Such a star. Sorry you can't have any churros. Okay, now that it's at a rolling boil, I need to reduce the heat to low and add in my flour. And then keep stirring till a dough is formed. Everybody get in there. Yo, what the? It looks like oatmeal and applesauce had a baby. Oh yeah, our pot is really jank. It doesn't have the handles, so. Okay, now I think it's formed, so I'm going to remove it from heat, it said, and let rest for 5 to 7 minutes. So I'll see you in 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, it's now been 5 to 7 minutes, and I add my eggs, one at a time, and combine them. I grabbed an oven mitt so I don't burn my hand. Second one.
Floop, flop, floop, floop, flop.
I don't know why, but this just doesn't feel right. Last egg. Numero tres. Does that look right? I don't know. I'm praying. There's no pictures. Okay, Disney really made this vague. Okay. I'm gonna say she's ready. Oh yeah, she's a beaut. Spoon's in the way, but she's pretty. Okay. Now, we heat up our oil. This bitty can move. Oil time. Medium high heat. Okay. Cup and a half of oil. Bada bing, bada boom. I should have used a smaller pan. We deal. Stew. We're gonna wait until it reaches 350 degrees. I've got this handy little thing. It's gonna be kind of hard to read, so. And apparently I'm not allowed to let the metal ball touch the bottom of the pan, but we don't have much room to work with, so. I'll update you once we're actually on to frying these bad boys, so. Okay everybody, it's crunch time, and I am terrified. I put the dough into a plastic bag, and now we basically just squeeze and cut. Okay, now that's cute. I think I might have Okay, I have two in here. That seems pretty cute. Let me grab my phone. How long did I leave these in here for? Okay, until golden brown. Simple enough, loves. They smell like a carnival, kind of fishy, I'm going to be honest. Oh, whoa, why is she bubbly? That doesn't look right. But we're gonna tell. Dude, that looks so cute. I am Penny Proud family of that. Make this one longer. Ooh, a little candy cane shape. Kind of cute, kind of fun, kind of funky, kind of fresh. These are my new children. No, please don't spank each other. Oh yeah, I just want to say now, I don't have all the ingredients to like make the chocolate dipping sauce, so we're gonna eat these babies naked. But that's okay. I have high hopes they'll still taste pretty decent. Why do some of them have like this bright black charcoal? I blame the spoon because I don't have a metal one and I have a plastic. Oh yeah, my spoon's kind of burned. I don't know what to do. Wait, this is so fun and easy. I'm obsessed with making these. Should I use a wooden spoon? It's plastic in it, love. This in it? Okay, this is making me really hot and sweat though, so. Mad props to carnival and fair workers, because this would be annoying to do for like 8 to 12 hours a day. 12 is excessive, but this would be really hot. You can use a second more, just a little bit. It's time to put more in here. That one fell right on top of herself, not what we wanted to see, but this is what we're gonna get. Oh no! All this dough is still up here. Gotta massage it down, you feel me? Cuties! Oh my gosh, that one is like an actual candy cane moment. Alright, got another little nugget in there. That one was like a little worm. Should I make a long one? Maybe. Is that really Disney? Well, I'll wait until I get the other two out then. No. Oh, fun. Loved having hot oil splash. Okay, now we'll make a long boy. Oh, I like that length. I think that's what I'm going to start sticking with. I like curls. I don't like how it does that, but we ball. I think I'm gonna finish frying the rest of these off camera, and then I'll let you know how they taste. See you then. Okay, we have our churros. And now I think we kind of we toss them in there. So pick them up. I didn't think it was gonna stick in all honesty. Ooh, first one coated. So I'm just gonna do this to all of them. And we'll probably eat them naked because I don't have any sauce. Well, I guess I do have Hershey's sauce. I could try with that. Yeah, I'll see you when these are fully dipped and I'm ready to try them because I'm so excited. They smell good, they look good, and I pray they taste good. Okay, they're done. Look how stunning they are. This is Hershey's chocolate syrup to dip them in, but look at how beautiful. I'm so proud of myself, and now I will try one. I think I'm gonna take a bite of one with the chocolate and one without. So I'm gonna take this cute little churro. Oh, word. Now I understand why everyone loves these so much. They're like fluffy cinnamon toast crunch. Now I'm gonna try it in the syrup. Boom. Sorry, I needed a minute. I just had an out-of-body experience because this was delicious and I will be making these again. 10 out of 10 would recommend with the Hershey syrup or without or with any other sauce. Super, super good. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and I hope you have a good day. Adios, y'all.